Y'all could not believe that you only needed this many almonds to make almond milk, so I'm back again to test a new recipe that this commenter left here that feels pretty promising. I'm not only doubling the amount of almonds that I'm using, but I'm also including 3 dates instead of just the one. Now, I thought just one was good enough to give it that just sweet flavor, but I'm curious to see what 3 is gonna do. And of course, I had to show me pitting the dates this time because I did it in the last one, and so many of you guys thought I included the date pits, and I didn't. Once I have all of my ingredients in there, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with water to the max fill line because I always make the maximum amount of milk that I can in this thing because it goes so fast in my house. After the water, I go ahead and add the dash of vanilla, and then this comment said add a pinch of salt. This is my first time including salt in my almond milk recipe, so I was really curious to see how this turned out. Once everything was in there, I put on the lid and selected the nut milk option, and the nut milk option takes 8 minutes and you don't have to do anything while it's going. And once everything is done, this is how it looks, very bubbly at the top. And listen, this is the most important step to me that I found. It does not come with a milk bag, but I highly recommend you guys get a nut milk bag because it makes a world of difference in your milk quality. Here I am just straining the milk, and I'm gonna show you what's going to be, or what would be included in your milk if you didn't strain it. Like, unless you like pulpy textured milk, I don't. I definitely strain it. So this yields about 4 cups of milk, and I pour it into my designated milk jar. It fills it all the way up, and this usually lasts us about maybe a day and a half. I include it in my matcha. The kids like it with their oatmeal, and just look at the texture. Look at the texture. Just get it. It's giving milk, okay? And when I tasted it, this commenter did not lie. I'm like, oh my god, this is the best almond milk that I have ever made, and I've been making almond milk every day since I got this machine. Shout out to this commenter because this is the only way I'm going to be making my milk from here on out.